So one of the things that you can do in ChatGPT is utilize Photorealistic GPT to generate photorealistic images. So to do that, you need to go around onto Explore GPTs right here and then scroll down, and over here you can see that Photorealistic GPT is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, you can go around and click on Start Chat right here. So once you go around over here, you can go around and type in the prompt as you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, generate an image of a man and a dog, eating lunch together by sitting on the floor, in a garden. The sky has some airplanes right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that right here, it says sign in with Google on Jenny GPT right here, just like this. So let's just go around and sign in. So I'm just going to go around, click on sign in with Google right here, just like this, and then just get ahead and utilize our email address right here, youtubechannel3@gmail.com. So let's just go around and continue out right here, and then it's sign in. So I can go around and say I signed in with my email address, youtubechannel3@gmail.com. So let's just go around and type this in and press enter right here. So now it says starting action, as you can see right here, and I need to go around and confirm so that ChatGPT can talk to Jenny GPT. And now you can see that it is starting to create the image right here, just like this. So it says your image is being processed and it'll be available shortly in the following link. So you need to go around and click on view image right here, and now it says your image is now being generated and it'll be ready within 30 seconds. Please wait and reload this page. So you need to go around and wait. And after waiting for a while, you need to go around and refresh the link right here, and you start seeing this right here. So instead of one man, there's two men right here sitting on the floor. There's the dog, and the sky is filled with planes, as you can see right here. And this is how you can go around and utilize the photorealistic image generator, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can utilize photorealistic GPT inside of ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.